Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the higher time frames for SNX. So as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we can find is our swing high here, where we've seen multiple reactions from key candlesticks, all of the long wick candles forming this key level of resistance. Price drastically fell down and we notice a level right here. So let's go ahead and plot in a zone. Now what we notice here on this monthly zone is that we have a reaction here as resistance, we have a reaction here as support, and we have a reaction here as resistance. So we have three obvious points, multiple rejections, we had resistance flipped to support, making this a very key level. Now let's go ahead and hop into the weekly time frame. Now here on the weekly, what do we see? Well, we notice a key level right here. So let's go ahead and draw in a zone. And we extend this past our price. So as price comes back up, we know that price may react to these levels. So we see price come down with this long wick, support. We see support, and now we see resistance and resistance. So obvious support, obvious resistance. As price comes back down, we notice on our most recent price action a bit of a level here. Now, if we look at the beginning of price action, where we draw in a zone right here, what do we see? Well, we can see price reacting to this level, and we see price reacting to this level here. So what we can determine from this price action right here is a fake out from this level. As we can see support, we see long wicks reacting as resistance, and as price came up, it faked out before reversing back down. And then we see a long wick here reacting to this level as resistance. Now, what we also notice is our key level of support. Now, this is the most recent level of support where price reversed drastically, and we notice a reaction to the same key level here, as we see multiple candles with a very long wick here reacting to the level. So if we zoom out and we see the price action on the chart, we can assume and plan for when price reacts or reaches these levels, we can plan for a reaction from price. And we can also plot our swing high on the weekly here. Notice the rejection here and the long wick rejecting the level. So that's all our key levels on the chart. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you got any value from this video, go ahead and like and subscribe for more videos like this.